Look at this amazing place, kids. We are finally at the aquarium today.
Are you ready to see all the wonderful sea animals inside this huge building?
I am so excited to show Baby all the cool fish in the water. Wow, look at that. There are so many fish swimming around in the water. Baby, can you see them clearly? Those are little fish swimming over there. Look, they're blue and yellow. Isn't that amazing? That is right, Baby. And look at that funny one. It is bright orange. Wow! I see a blue fish, an orange fish, and a yellow one too.
It looks like our sweet baby is very ready to learn about sea animals.
Whoa! Look out! That is a really big fish swimming right towards us now. Do not worry, Baby. That big fish is safe behind the thick glass wall. Wow. Come on, Baby. Leo and I will teach you all about these sea animals. Okay. Yay! I want to learn about all the fish in the whole wide ocean.
Let us walk over to the next area. There are many more tropical fish.
Look over here, Baby. These small fish are all swimming together in a group. Are all those little fish good friends? Why do they swim together like that? Maybe they are friends. Small fish often swim in big groups to stay safe.
Let us play a quick game, Baby. What color is that fish right there?
Let me look very closely at it. I think that fish is bright yellow. That is perfectly correct. You are so smart. You know your colors very well. And what about that tiny one hiding behind the rock? What color is it? I can see it. That little fish hiding behind the rock is very blue. Great job, Baby. You are doing amazing at this fun color guessing game today. We are so proud of you, Baby. You always learn new things very quickly.
You are learning so fast, Baby. You will know all the sea animals soon.
Look at this one. Look at that one. There are so many pretty colors.
Wow. Yes, there are.
Let us walk down this dark tunnel now. The biggest sea animals live here.
It is very dark in here. Leo, can I hold your hand right now? Of course, Baby. Hold my hand tightly. There is nothing to be afraid of. Leo, look over there. What is that huge animal swimming in the dark water? Wow, it's a big shark. Wow, look at the size of that. That giant sea animal is a shark. A shark? It looks so big and scary. Does it want to eat us? Don't worry, it can't get to us. It is completely okay, Baby. We are totally safe. The shark is inside there.
Sharks are strong sea animals that live far away in the deep blue ocean.
They have very sharp teeth and powerful bodies to help them swim very fast.
Wow.
Does that big scary shark eat the little friendly fish in the ocean water? No, honey. That shark is friendly too and only eats special.
Yes, some big sharks do eat smaller fish when they get very hungry underwater.
Wow! The shark is swimming so close to the glass right now. So cool. That was a really big fish lesson for you today, my sweet little baby. Actually, Leo, a shark is not exactly the same thing as a normal fish.
That is very true, Lily. You are always so smart and know so much.
What is that green animal over there? It is swimming so slowly right now. Look at that beautiful shell. Yes, baby, that wonderful sea animal is a turtle. Hooray! Why does the sea turtle have those big flat arms? What are they for? Those are called flippers. They help the sea turtle swim smoothly through the ocean. Wow! Flippers! Look at me now! I am moving my arms! I am a sea turtle! You look so funny, baby! You are a very cute and slow sea turtle! I am a slow turtle. Slow, slow, slow turtle swimming in the big ocean. Aha!
You three kids are having so much fun learning about the ocean animals today.
Let us keep walking this way. There are even more amazing things to see.
The lights are changing colors here. Everything looks so blue and magical right now. Look inside this tall, round tank, baby. Do you see those soft floating things? Wow! They are floating up and down gently. What kind of animals are they? Those are jellyfish, baby. They look like soft umbrellas floating in the clear water. Umbrellas! Do those beautiful floating jellyfish have long legs to walk on?
Those long strings under them are called tentacles, my little baby.
Tentacles!
Look at that animal crawling very softly on the big gray rock.
Let me count its arms right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are way too many long arms. I cannot count them all.
You are so funny. A big octopus always has 8 long arms.
I only have 2 arms.
Why do I not have 8 arms?
That is because you are a human and an octopus is different. You got it.
I am a human. I do not have 8 very long arms. Every sea animal is wonderfully different. That makes the big ocean amazing.
Before we leave the aquarium today, let us have a little quiz.
Are you ready for the big sea animal quiz, my sweet baby? Oh, yeah. I am very ready. Ask me the fun questions right now, Leo. Look at this colorful picture right here. What is this small animal? That is a little fish. It is swimming in the blue water. Wow, you found it. That's right.
That is correct. You are so smart. Let us do another one.
Ah! Look at this big picture. What is this huge gray sea animal? That is a very big and scary shark with sharp white teeth. Great job, baby! You remember the scary shark from the dark tunnel.
What about this amazing green animal with the big flat swimming flippers?
Flippers, yeah, look at them go.
Flippers, like a sea turtle.
That is the slow sea turtle. I pretended to be a turtle. And what is this soft floating animal that looks like an umbrella?
Let me think for a second. Oh, I know!
It is a jellyfish. Oh! Yay! Baby got every single question right. You are a superstar today. Hi! I am so happy. I love all the beautiful sea animals so much. No, 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 no. Nguyên ta, do da, do lo, do da lo, do lo.
You learned so many amazing new things at the aquarium today, baby.
No.
Look at all these beautiful fish.
Wow.
They are amazing, aren't they?
Yes.
The best part is that Leo and Lily helped you learn everything.
Look at that one, children. It's so bright.
Wow.
And that one over there.
So many colors. Look at that big fish over there. Wow. It's so colorful. Look over there at the giant tank. There are so many more fish. Wow. Oh, look at that one. Amazing. Maybe we need another fun family adventure at the big aquarium soon.
Look at that one, kids.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Over there.
Look at that big one.
Wow.
Wow. So many colors.